Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So earlier this month, we got our first real-life look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the most premium and feature-packed phone in the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup. Now a fresh leak has shed light on the phone's camera hardware. We've heard a number of times that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have more or less the same camera specs as the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and now we're hearing that yet again, but with additional details this time. According to known Samsung tipster Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have an improved version of the 108MP main sensor we saw in the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and exactly the same 12MP ultra-wide sensor. Where things could change a bit beyond the unnamed improvements in the main sensor is with the zoom lenses, as these will apparently both use new sensors, but they don't sound too different to the old ones. Apparently the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 10MP 1 of 3.52 Sony sensor with an f4.9 aperture, offering 10x optical zoom, along with another sensor that sounds similar, except with an f2.4 aperture and offering 3x optical zoom. The megapixel counts and apertures here are the same as on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but the pixel and sensor sizes slightly differ, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra zoom lenses having one of 3.24 sensors and 1.22 pixels. So presumably these changes will lead to some improvements, but it doesn't sound like there will be any drastic differences if this leak is right. However, we could see much bigger upgrades on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, as the same source claims that Samsung will equip a phone with a 200MP sensor in 2023. Samsung isn't the only big-name brand that might be sticking similar snappers on its 2022 flagships, as the ONEPLUS 10 Pro is also rumored to have similar cameras to the ONEPLUS 9 Pro, so 2022 might not be a year of big camera improvements. That said, Ice Universe claims that Motorola will launch a phone with a 200MP camera in the first half of the year, followed by Xiaomi in the second half, so while megapixels aren't everything, these could be the brands to watch in 2022. Apple could also bring some upgrades for the iPhone 14 range, though nothing like a 200MP snapper. Instead, sources suggest that the main sensor on the Pro models might get bumped up from 12MP to 48MP. 2023 could be a much bigger year for smartphone cameras, if Samsung really does move to 200MP, as it's also rumored that Apple might finally equip an iPhone with a periscope snapper, allowing for long-distance optical zoom. The Galaxy S22 lineup is reportedly launching in early 2022, as per notable tipster John Prosser. The South Korean smartphone giant will hold a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 8, 2022 where it would take the wraps off of the new Galaxy Trio. Well, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.